Come join me on an amazing beach adventure. First up, let's take some stylish selfies to kick things off. Check out this amazing street with palm trees and beautiful buildings. We're riding bikes and walking in the festive spirit. Look, a Christmas tree on display. How cool is that? We are now at the beach. Look at this beautiful tree among the flags and umbrellas. People are everywhere enjoying their day. We even have a group photo on the sandy area. Everyone is having a blast. Nothing beats chilling on the beach next to the ocean. Walking along the path, the view is just breathtaking. Look at this surfer on the rock. What a fantastic day it is. I've got my straw hat and sunglasses on, ready for some beach fun. Check out this bird on the railing. So cute. Look at it sitting on the railing near the beautiful water. Such a peaceful moment. Standing on the pier, the view is just spectacular. People are swimming right off the beach into the ocean. Look at the dock. So many activities happening near the water. It's a hub of excitement. We are now in the water. The ocean is just stunning. Look at this bikini-clad selfie, capturing the fun of the day. Everyone is having a great time swimming and enjoying the view. The beach is crowded but so lively. Umbrellas and chairs everywhere. People are enjoying the warm water and the festive vibe. It's a perfect day at the beach. Let's make some more memories. We can't forget the swimming sessions. Look at these people having a blast in the water. So many activities are happening. Everyone is enjoying the beach to the fullest. The beach is alive with energy and fun. It's not just about swimming. People are enjoying all the activities the beach offers. Look at these amazing views and fun moments. Everyone is making the most out of this beautiful day at the beach. It's a day full of joy and laughter. Look at these people enjoying the beach near the rocky shore. Even the dogs are having a great time. So many adventures. So much fun awaits at the beach. Let's embrace every moment. The beach is calling us. Check out this stunning view with rocks and trees. People are swimming, playing frisbee, and just enjoying the beach. Such a vibrant scene, a perfect day to be at the beach. Let's make some more memories. We are never alone here. Walking along the path, the ocean in view, is a peaceful yet lively scene. Everyone is enjoying the beauty of the day, capturing memories. Look at this biker having a great time. The beach is a haven. The beach is a mix of relaxation and fun. From the striped umbrella to the blue one, people are everywhere enjoying the warm water and the beautiful scenery. It's a day to remember. Wrapping up our beach day with a stroll down the street. Hope you enjoyed it.